Nyankopon ye dana say.
Licking Thursday.
Yes.
Me I say na licking Wednesday too. You did a Vicky recipe.
A Vicky recipe ni no mouth finger licking mouth watering jollof. And you Mrs. Nkonkonsa. Ono ne duane na oton licking enti eno ne de ne fa 3 ndi. Odo touch na peke omono licking rice.
Okay.
Licking jollof. Enti eno mpo de wo ho ba ene licking Thursday. Enti enwumre we obi a Nyankopon beye wadom a obehia de licking no. But modern let the ice cream be in your chin. Ma enko wabodwum na obi ehu se water free bi. And aka wabodwum. Oti ase. But wodi mabna kokko.
Mini mabna kokko.
O one number.
No, mini.
Why interview ne da?
No.
Where share ne da?
No, I've never met.
Mabna kokko physically da?
No.
Nde wa shura de kese.
But me started follow no when na Kevas.
Oh, okay.
And a issue was share red lingerie be about like now it was weird at that time. Now it wasn't common, so people were like,
"Hey, polo mu be na aje nsem dada."
I said polo mu de na no ya no mu ba. I've not kokon break internet first.
That's all.
So when I mean, and no man me start to say
who follow Abna Kokko. Okay, now who share the physically?
A bipolar
patient. Okay.
And someone is so banana so Sofopeni.
Why?
Soft Duncan Williams.
Never bear man is bipolar.
Bipolar. So bound. So I don't know why. So far bipolar me no weapon me and then.
I will share with that.
Yes, anytime I laugh so snip.
Now so be bipolar for no one that wunni.
Oh, one me that say.
Obi are you bipolar wunni.
I mean, go find I remember.
Oh, so far mo bro 4.
Omo bro 4 kan na.
Sabi dey na maso nye kwese na sinti na eja Debbie now be a car radio someone now be cancel man say I can radio.
No, make us a bipolar for me no.
And I'm say well, I'm gonna say a bit the one that
the truth of the matter is I'm not kokko and a man crofo ni buy ya dey be a friend bipolar.
And a man money ba ho ye dey.
I say who no e be who when you ba watch it because who medical field. So then who then but I mean most of us. And then Christabel Eke and so dear buyer. Also, sweetie on Abna Kokko was the one. On my own say, hey, Saya dear do a honor. I mean, over the years we know say autism, Nessa, Yamano. We always pay attention to those. But near Nim say I did be so hot my friend of bipolar no bar. And near ma what ye. But excuse my language, they be a name guas, so you keep them. They are secrets, but a bar mama, that is why you unveil them.
And no can't bipolar definition.
No ka dem.
And this has some now, what is so big car, and no ye any mu and any da ho bonnet. Because bipolar no, and no chair say a ba or relapse here, and yama why ye was secret yourself by kind of bedroom, and the yan crack.
But then don't see any audio no.
Dear what
last one, Embra they're doing in the YouTube.
Debbie maintain.
I say she is not apologizing to anyone again.
Are they?
Because this is the way of healing. It's a way of her to heal. Yes.
I don't agree with her.
She said it.
No, but I don't agree with her.
So then, well, that is her way of
no, but
healing.
Because this is not the first time all Babes are healing. She's never getting healed. Is it the first time she's come to mention of people who have access to her? Is it the first time So Abna Kokko be catch and say it's a way of healing now. Yeah, obi didn't your interview Wakasa. As she see that this exposition before, if it's a meaning of healing, she should stop the deliberate act of degrading people and disgracing herself. What must I say? What she's doing, she's not disgracing anybody. She is disgracing herself as a feminine person. Because more say people are taking advantage of Abna Kokko. In what way? How are they taking advantage of her? That's where I want to come to. In Crawford in the die, you know. Obenya sen Crawford side in the meda. Abna Kokko who nya first and go nya san Crawford in the da.
Well,
no way.
You're right.
Abna Kokko so where she are physically.
Beautiful girl.
Where she are
I've never met her in person, but
my
trust me, the girl is beautiful.
Who share Abna Kokko physically?
The body.
And she knows how to carry herself.
And she speaks so well.
She knows how to...
Well, okay, so Abna Kokko picture, it's on the internet. So obi I think this picture cry me but your mom pen the current picture.
Where time
when the time I know me say mom pen the current picture.
Where time
she's
I'm not going to where time
she's beautiful.
We put no makeup on the depot time. But the Americans are not going to be a few buy and Casancas and not do more. Any young offending Pemagro, a gift. Sako de Michel. Eti adia woman say abna ko konse mo kan ese nyina ya dwi hum yenu na so kohima wa wani tia enkomo ye di sa be se bosome kra ni ene se kwan be so no ba bi e fa edi awale so be kaya enkomo na ye se kwan be so no nyama yie ye di sa enkomo na be di ba bi a be dui but ye nka se abna kokko name mentioning all the people she's mentioning will not change anything in the life of those men. Because if every man in the life of a woman, they have their position. Abna Koko is not married. If a married man decides to have sexual intercourse with Abna Koko, it shouldn't affect their marriage. Uti we say, "Get me back to so kunu nada." So go say na atie, ube jawale. Uti we boy get me back to so kunu nada. Ebe how? Ebe how? Ese menti ase die enti ese Abna Koko dwin say, "I'm apologizing for the homes that are broken." You've not broken any home. And Abna Koko, you can't break any home. This your expose. The part 2, those who are in have come to report themselves to us. There are some musicians. There are more radio presenters. There are pastors.
Part 2, no.
They are yes.
Radio presenters.
Morning show hosts. Musicians. Directors of company. Owners of banks. Banks be a collapse cry big bi cry.
No, me bo.
Owners be cry.
We release and answer what come back on.
There be microphone and kasa report to omo
to war.
Say, o memo meka bio. Ebi mu sisi e ma ne warning. So omo we da na nya fi no be bobudin.
Wow.
So there's no need for the second list because the people on the list have reported themselves. What I say? So keep the list. Don't bring it. Socrates Michel. So don't involve those.
And then I will chair Socrates.
Sisi ana mekai no.
Worry.
O say.
Hey! Because you could say, as I'm not about so no crown no share again no berry. A year of.
Eti Abna Koko say. Ena way, as way first say. Asabi, or see Asabi. Asabi pen obi awan. We never see no. Don't say that again. He was the only gentleman who didn't want any anyukre. One year, menkaswari. But one year, the fact is because
but counselor
name me on the way answer and I'm with
counselor, Mammy Miss our dear way. It looks like and perform winning now and Kofa she went to them for help.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
This one.
No. Abna Koko didn't go for help from Samia Uku. He didn't go for help from Abeku Santana. Didn't go. Oh my, listen. Oh my, artwork be Giovanni Abeku Santana.
Hey, yes.
I shock me so here.
And they be
oh. Now send the video there 2 hours.
And they make me 2 hours video.
Oh.
And they make me.
Oh, please. But the ambassador me can say, "Adia wa ye, e ma moti awade ho. Me mu bia sorry enko kasa mu go sim konua di sa agro yin komo. Sofo bia me mfra meeting bia say o church ma bia bonidin. Don't. I say bema efa ne yirechi, no de obafo frokoda e kan awade ho. And Abna Koko begu awade anko wu gu ya che. E say wu kunu aka na asem no. A long time ya we know. Na Abna Koko be nyo obi ti say Lexus awe no.
I see Lexus swearing.
Ana say won tie tape no.
Hey.
Say the okunu din wom kra wonim. Upo okunu po oye year of return. But obeche ogana kakra obi Abna Koko. Eti me manemba.
Kwaje ni.
Me manemba.
Oh, kwaje.
And then you take. Say na atia na Abna Koko difference no so.
Kwaje ni.
Hey, okunu na manifesta.
Radio papa.
Hey, okunu na manifesta. So boy my body sa. Eti yen kanen kosi na de ya me ya ne se e ban se na otwe na ba na mo ne Lydia Force ya bem
se no de na no na ekopai
se den
lapses no
no enya no kra deliberate Me ho fa ade no nkoto yale o. A deliberate. Na mon kan che ne se na busuafo na menim mo kose.
Na busuafo wo he.
Mun bisa sa na me kan fa ne face dia mon tie me sa ko sita ma a ginsem o. The family of Abena Koko, when you have a sick child, you protect the child because she's vulnerable. If people claim in court that Abena Koko's relapse and behavior is as a result of a bipolar state, that is why she's bringing a lot of men's head to crash down. Then the family should rise up and stop this hypocritical behavior.
Remember now, Abena Koko Abomudino, where we share unia, and Saturday, a video me, no concert. E do share me at me, we share you. We share me you.
We dey share me every
Customer.
Na say na customer say na na so go mass market dia say say. David get no. Ya me busuafo.
O se customer.
Enkrofo bi ama warning say edin no mo nkasa odi omudin aba. Enti Abena Koko do man shi.
Yem omudin.
Omudi aba.
Na yem
In
order to avoid Abena Koko and to save her from the stress.
Who?
We should mention the names.
Nobody is saving her from the stress. She should not mention their names again.
Okay, so we have Abena Koko's right picture on the screen. She's that beautiful, very intelligent and smart. She's beautiful.
And according to everybody who have had sexual intercourse with Abena Koko.
No, with her states.
What state?
Counselor, like, I don't think, Counselor, who say, apart from their year coming,
then,
I mean, this lady is beautiful.
Uh-huh.
She's one lady who would want to settle, marry one day. Do you think, and a bit more quiet to Momona, almost so, almost doing for some better, they still say. A go into office on one I dream with the Hawkeye and was sorry I know for phone in him and away me and away me and away me and away bet better.
If you are bipolar,
only bipolar.
Tracy was or bipolar.
Me.
If you are or bipolar. Miss Bill or bipolar.
Why you so the panel of bipolar by a name so?
Me be some more bipolar.
Me.
I'm a company grow room.
I'm on cow room.
Tracy watching us, Papa no 7 by and then I.
Papa no name day.
Papa no.
When the name Papa no.
Mimi knew.
Oh yeah, why?
I don't know if there's some
Papa no dear. And Crawford, Papa no Papa way. Oh, I need a problem for.
David, or your poverty alleviator or investor.
Na Papa no, and Papa no. No, but that is what I'm saying, sir. Omo Jimu Dahono. They came with Papa no. But this lady keeps mentioning people's names. Body.
It's what about them?
No, it means it is true. So when you relapse and asadie no no.
And I'm saying no crack. Because the relapse not see where you healing now.
Oh, this baby is beautiful.
She's so
beautiful.
What would that?
The one who did that.
Who did what would that?
Who
share Black or go straight or bear bush now shine twice. Or artificial or natural.
It's the other name my mum pen by bobbing funny.
You didn't quite on Bible.
See, bet me a bompire man.
None empire your bomano. And you boy, I do much at you.
I didn't add much at
I won't fennel.
That bio make bipolar.
Now, bipolar, I manage it. And I black a question who too much. More than a nurse and a practitioner. Only be a soye. I own your relapse. Only.
So don't you think say be to be time for Pamo? No.
It shouldn't give her a relapse.
Because will be otisani it means say be crazy.
And you know crack. There be doesn't trick. Only joy saw ye. You will be with your people to say ginger will. Only kasa even in an interview. You know that to calm the nerves down. Only Abena Koko is too intelligent in the field of the condition she's in. To tell me, say the condition is perpetuating, is influencing whatever she's doing. Please.
Because, okay, now, Endra, Abena Koko they are sending to Dra.
Or say them.
Or say, I didn't know sending huge message. Sorry, you just so read your piece of it.
I didn't know sending huge message.
Well, to Abena Koko no, or say, ne relapse ne ba. and a man bubon kofodi.
Now when the catches are
okay, no, so we no say she herself doesn't even believe saw a video 2 hours.
No, but when the catch and say about bidding.
I go share video no. And no who the awaye. And it she felt send a doubtfully Eugene. And she Obeka said say oh you're sorry. Then right after so Sunday Eugene message say oh you're sorry no. And I Eugene they call entertainment review and no moko kanye.
Ah, or the assembly corner can one send message.
Ono kase kaina woko kanye ni ya because your yeah no or yeah which Eugene doesn't deserve an apology but she gave it out anyway.
Now but Eugene deserves an apology from Wakoko. Or deserve an apology
from Koko.
Now him sexual abuse.
Or see oh yeah no.
There be na sexual abuse. Obi for now can. There obi be sana go kan. Abuse.
I abuse say.
Say be ma for Wakoko obedom.
Of fan kwan ben so.
Ah. There no see UG no.
Kwan
or rape no.
According to no, I say UG took an advantage.
Enya no kra. Obi take advantage ga no be oba ofie wo fine. What are you talking about? That is my portion say. Muma yenja can't say the obi take advantage of a sick girl. The girl has enjoyed the act.
I see you came to eat. Hey!
So Koima.
Yay!
Awadi aye pa ma mai. Ebi ni abna kokko. Obi aya ba odin bia no hwe no anyale. Bra me ho.
Oh, this girl.
Na me fe ye ntu ye ma.
If you're not watching us live on Facebook, you are missing because sharing the picture we are.
Oh, da. Na me say me ma share no one me face to face.
One-on-one.
Ah. Before yeah video me ni share was it 3 weeks or so? 3 weeks ago share. Share but Abna Koko is very beautiful. She knows how to carry herself. And when you meet her, unless you are not a man who doesn't have self-control, if you have self-control, you chop Abna Koko.
So who needs self-control?
So who has self-control? I will chop by you.
Sir?
Aye. Me catch her.
When you woman.
Abna Koko. No, nyam taste. Me or maybe or me sure me be man sorry that.
E ma ben sa.
Say we shape you see. And frame it. Abna Koko shape. And frame it. Get your tina hai. And frame it. The man me be man jokra sikapa.
Bebreen.
Sikapa be me no yin hu sisi. Mbe ma be jo and sorry more than 3 days.
Hey, we are saying. If you are with you, India me girlfriend.
Enti me ankasa me nam ho no.
Into the in your taste.
Dey me taste me who am send picture na ma.
Ade.
Enti ko ima ye din komo last week ye ka so ba bia answer na be ka se okwa awade no. But modi na hu se ohu ofe. Ohu otan a me nkwa awade gise wa ye ohu fe. We made it clear to all those who are listening to us last week that don't allow a poor man to marry you. When a man cannot. Why?
A fear about was a catching.
O say share the meet the say. Say na no food doors on the 2 doors in. O yi ne ho a me lose erection because enye me taste.
Into the in your taste.
Me send a picture na ma. Then let next to go fan to screen is why. What was it?
What we are running.
If you are who this are. Oba ya me be ma kram me. It has mad ira. It doesn't move me.
It doesn't move you.
But Abna Koko is very beautiful.
Yes, she
and
is.
And all the men, majority of them who have
but you know she needs help.
She has help.
So what?
No, she has help. The family must get more closer than the way Abna Koko is.
So where is Abna
No, she
family?
has help.
The family members were.
They are there.
And said no quantity.
All shall pass.
Because Bibi say ya any question mo no quantity na.
Nyehwe ba munja no quantity na nkrofo nyane nwe no. Na niji e wa wiem. So no one can o video no say men like sex too much. I don't know why they like sex. Well, but we too we like it, but at times they take advantage of us. But no so pay. Or see ade man niji e yem pema go.
Started having sex at the age of 5 or 6.
Or see or no de niji e yem pema go. And we can't stop her from eating what she likes. So Abna Koko, what me can't say for the last time and for fan, go for bomb din fan, no be fan view. But those who are prominent, and Crofori no bomb with cry, if you are Sanko review. And I couldn't answer that no buy.
Why?
Could you answer? Time about first 5 years ago. Now could you answer? Go. Say recent. Giovanni Davenore. About first list. First list of boy, no. Now let's just build count. Kwakwa san count. Enti ade na ne je ho. Enti mo nja no fili. Na mo nja hwehwe ni mu no.
But don't you think that some of these things can, and break you home crap?
It can, if this breaks your home, then your wife is a fool. Any wife that goes to discuss this issue, she's a fool. What do you call cheating? Cheating is part of marriage. So and then come on, baby, no one they fair. So go ima, or baby, I will call as we see nya to what you say. I say who you fair and son waro. And to send a black cocotier. I no here. So at must here. Now Bema be worry no uti na yade na sia. Ye wan hihye ade tu kwan mu a utumi de worry. Me say na me tie me worry aba kokode na yade. En say bibia. What I say? Ubetimi de na ye adwuma en say bibia. Bipolar is not a deadly disease.
Obi send me a message.
I
say your friend in Nana Dom.
I
said, did you listen to yourself? Who told you adultery is part of marriage?
Why?
If it would it have been a criteria for marriage breakup emphasized? So the scripture.
No, so as he answered himself. No, hold on.
When did adultery become part
of
marriage? Are you expecting a woman to stay faithful only for a man to infect her with diseases in the name of marriage?
Disease.
Cheating is never part of marriage. It is
so true. No, catch you said the scripture says that this is the way for working out of marriage. So if adultery is not part of marriage, why would the scripture give way out when it happens? Hey, we just some kwala sem na mo ye no. Obi nya kwala wo ha o. Ade yesu no su half. Mo bre mo asene nkyere ma de. Se ko hwe na nim bi o de church o so.
No, but the issue I think say
so